Hey everyone, welcome to the fifth video of this native SEO course. Today we are going to answer the age-old question regarding SEO that is asked most often. How long does SEO take? There is a misconception that doing SEO will instantly improve your content ranking and bring traffic to your website. Well, this statement is not true, but it's also not totally false. Anyone who has been working in this industry will tell you that it depends. And it truly does, because there are a lot of factors that influence search engine ranking. When BBC or Bloomberg publish an article, it gets indexed instantly. And not just that, those articles also rank much faster and they rank high on search engine results page. But if the similar article was published on an unknown or new website, it would take days to get indexed and months to rank for it. So, why is this difference? This has to do with credibility, engagement, and website authority. BBC is a credible source and their website have high domain authority. Millions of people engage with their articles, and these articles also get shared online. How your content is ranked has to do a lot with your domain authority, content quality, engagement rate, social signals, and a bunch of other stuff. So it's understandable why an article from BBC is ranked much faster than an article from a random website. So now the question arises, how do you compete with all these ranking factors in place? This is where SEO comes to your rescue. You probably have heard the phrase, Rome was not built in a day. Just like Rome, all the top websites that you see was not built in a day. These websites had to put in a lot of time and effort to increase their online authority by improving their SEO. Search engine optimization is a process that requires a lot of time, a lot of work, and a lot of patience. In this course, we will extensively learn how to do SEO. But before that, it is important to set some expectations. SEO is a bit different than other marketing strategy. It is the most popular organic marketing technique. Understanding the difference between organic and paid marketing will help you stay on course for running and measuring a successful SEO campaign. Patience is a virtue, and it couldn't be more true with SEO. Yes, SEO is a long-term process, but it also builds a long-term value. This is why all of those rank on front page of Google tomorrow gigs are called scams. Because not even Larry Page can help your new website rank on top of Google in a day. It takes time to develop and execute your strategy. Research your keywords, create new content, build links, refresh your content, and resolve any technical issues that you have. It's a never-ending process. There is always room for improvements, and even when you reach the #1 spot, you should still work on your SEO, because SEO is not a one-time project. Your competitors will always keep working on their SEO strategy to surpass your website and rank on top of SERP. One thing to remember is that search engines don't necessarily interact with your website immediately. It takes time to discover changes in your content, find new links to your pages, and figure out the overall structure of your website. And it will take more time to put all of those factors in their algorithm to reassess your relevancy and authority before those changes are reflected in the search results. Being patient and true to your strategy will help you stay focused on SEO process that you will have laid out. Another thing to expect with SEO is the change within the search engine, and it is important to realize and accept that we have no control over this. Search engines are always trying to improve their product to help deliver the results that people want, and they are always trying out new things. Sometimes these changes are algorithmic, other changes are more about features, or just different ways of presenting the search results to users. Search engine will keep making changes to enhance user experience, so it's better to be aware of these changes and act accordingly. One of the biggest expectations for a successful SEO campaign is to realize that you are really optimizing for two audiences, the search engine and real human beings. It is really easy to focus in on what we think the search engine will like about our site. But the real audience that generates business on your website are people. While people may never find your website if you don't show up on search engine's results page, it's people that drive the bottom line, and fortunately, search engines know that. Search engines have the ultimate goal to generate results that people will find useful and helpful. If you build your website authority and create content that is interesting to people and search engine friendly as well, you will be rewarded with traffic in long term. If you find this video useful, make sure to give it a like. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section below and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next video.